Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I'm also fine by the grace of Allah. Today I'd like to talk about how we can stay away from sin. My beloved brothers and sisters, we all are Muslims. We all want to enter Jannah, but sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes we commit sin. My beloved brothers and sisters, do you know why does it happen? Why we can't stay away from sin? My beloved brothers and sisters, the answer is very simple. The answer is that we keep in our mind a very strong reminder Allah is always watching us. My beloved brothers and sisters, this is a very strong reminder that we all need. If we always remember that Allah is watching us, we can stay away from any kind of sin. My beloved brothers and sisters, now I will share you a beautiful story. During the time of Umar Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, a mother told her daughter, add some water to the milk. The daughter replied that the Khalifa Umar has forbidden this. My beloved brothers and sisters, then the mother replied that don't worry, Omar isn't here. Omar can't see us. Omar can't see our activities. My beloved brothers and sisters, then the daughter replied that if Khalifa Omar isn't here and can't see our activities, but the Lord of Omar always is near us, and he can see any kind of our activities. My beloved brothers and sisters, the daughter was a very pious woman. She always remembered that Allah is always watching us. My beloved brothers and sisters, sometimes you are alone in your home. Sometimes the people can't see you, your friends can't see you, your family can't see you. But remember that Allah is always watching us. Allah is always hearing whatever we say. Allah knows everything whatever is in our mind. My beloved brothers and sisters, remember that every sin always stay us away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every sin always make shaitan stronger. My beloved brothers and sisters, every sin make our hearts weaker. My beloved brothers and sisters, so we should always stay away from any kind of sin. My beloved brothers and sisters, when shaitan invites us to do haram, to do any kind of sins, just we stop for some time and we remember that Allah is watching us, and tell ourselves that how can we commit mistake, how can we commit sin while Allah is always watching us. My beloved brothers and sisters, at last I want to tell you that remember this powerful message, powerful reminder that Allah is always watching us, whatever we do, wherever we are. My beloved brothers and sisters, we always try to do good deeds and stay away from all kind of haram, all kind of sins. May Allah help us, protect us, and make us among the people of Jannatul Firdaus and fill our hearts with taqwa. Amin. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.